In front of me is ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to select Clock app. Now choose Alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on, and then create your alarm by choosing this plus icon. Following that, you need to stop an hour. When you're ready, click on days of the week that you wish to set up. I will go with Mondays and Fridays. And then click on this switcher next to Vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. After that, you can click on Label. Label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and save your label by choosing OK. Now click on Snooze and pick how many minutes it will take. I will go with 23. Then tap on OK and select Alarm Sound. Now you can tap on one of those melodies. I will go with Breeze and click on OK to set it up. But you can also choose Alarm Sounds, scroll all the way down and tap on Add Ringtone at the bottom. Now you can pick music from your smartphone and set it up by choosing these three lines at the top left corner, choosing one of those sources like Downloads. Finally, clicking on the song and tapping on OK. Now save your alarm by choosing Confirm at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. In order to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. In order to delete it, you need to hold it, select Delete over here, and tap on Confirm in this pop-up. In order to adjust more alarm settings, select this gear icon at the top right corner and adjust them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!